Today is our 1969 Pontiac Lemans. It was bought brand new in La Mesa, California by my wife's great-grandmother, Kitty. It's been family owned ever since, and I was married into it. It's had a couple upgrades over the year, a couple repaints, but other than that, is it all original in the original white with a black vinyl interior. The Rally 2s was added along with the GTO style hood, but other than that, all original chrome. Couple touch-ups and repaints. It's a 350. It is a Le Mans, not a GTO, not a Enduro Delete car. Just got done. If you look at the outside of it, you can see it sits up a little high now in the front and the back because we just got done and redoing all of the suspension and brakes. It has 226,000 original miles on the original engine and transmission, rear end, without a rebuild on any of them. A little freshening up here and there. It's got a intake and carb and full dual exhaust with a H pipe and flow masters on it and oval stainless steel tips in the back. But put wagon springs in it, along with the GTO hood. You see, it's not a perfect car, but it's a good driver. It's all original. Interior's never been redone. The driver's seat showing some wear. I think that's one of the next things I'm going to do is to get it re-bolstered. It's a little low. This just fell off, but just a great fun car. Drive around. Turbo 350. It was optioned with sport buckets, no center console. I need to find a better solution for that. Had the shoulder belt. I don't know if you can see that very well, which is one of the options on it, along with the remote mirror on the side. And the 352 barrel originally, nothing crazy, but still, fun car, iconic body. There's the oval stainless steel exhaust tips. It's a great sound. Start it up here in a second, but really enjoy this car and driving around. All right, let's give it a start. It has good sound. That's about all you need. It's not too fast, not too slow. You get on it, and it's just a fun cruiser. Original 350 V8. We did all the brake, new master, the brake booster. Put a ratio steering box on there, and it really helped. But thanks for watching. Strongman Garage. Hit subscribe and like the video, and have a good day.